Hi, everybody. Thanks for checking in with your evening weather update. Sure hope you had a great weekend. Overcast, dreary, damp, and just a gross indoor kind of a day it was today. We only made it to 45 degrees. We picked up 1/1600ths of an inch of rain officially at McGee-Tyson Airport, 1400ths in Tri-Cities. Lesser amounts in Crossville and also Chattanooga, but still kind of that dreary, damp day. Now, we're going to take a break from the rain for most of the day on Monday. But Monday night, the rain showers increase, and it's going to be with us throughout our day on Tuesday, and then we'll see another storm system as we round out the week. So Monday morning, we're starting off in the teens, 20s, and a few pockets of the 30s across the Southern Valley. We'll likely have some clearing skies. The more the skies clear tonight, the more dense fog we see early Monday morning. Something to kind of keep in mind. If we don't quite get the clouds to clear on out a whole lot, then we won't have as much fog. But the general idea is we'll have clearing skies overnight tonight, patchy dense fog, chilly temperatures, and maybe some freezing fog. Then as we get into the 7 o'clock hour, clouds will be on the increase Monday. Rain showers will be just off to our west by 7 o'clock. But they're really going to move in Monday night. It's going to be heavy rain into our Tuesday morning. There's 7 o'clock, a very soggy and slow-going Tuesday morning. But one thing I want to point out is notice the wintry mix just back off to the west of the Cumberland Plateau. So a lot of the models are indicating temperatures falling during the day. Some of that colder air could squeeze or sneak its way onto the Cumberland Plateau. If that were to happen, I think we'll get this to change over to a little bit of snow before the whole thing begins to exit. It's one of those storm systems where you got to get the colder air to match up or catch up rather with the moisture source. And I can't necessarily guarantee that that's going to happen. These are tough to forecast as these lows are coming in out of the Gulf. We're looking at over about an inch of rainfall, I should say, with this system. So it's going to be very soggy. Snowfall forecast, confidence is increasing a little bit. Models are starting to hint at that a little bit more. I think we have, could see a light dusting of snow possibly at this point of the game. Of course, we're several days out, so you got to stick with me, and maybe the mountain counties as well. We may get some wraparound orographic lift, some upslope snow showers on the backside of that system for the Smoky Mountains. So we'll see how that all plays out. Temperatures on Tuesday staying fairly steady through much of the morning hours, and then during the afternoon, temperatures will come crashing on down pretty quickly as that colder air swings its way on through. So this is not a typo, by the way. Tuesday, I've got 44 for the morning hours, 34 for the afternoon hours. About 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I think we'll dip down into the 30s. Then we'll be in the 40s and 50s to round out the week. Another wet weather maker starts to work its way in Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we're going to get a lot more rain. So we've got these disturbances coming in and out of the south, and that's what's going to bring us increasing chances for rain. And if we can match the colder air up, we'll have a chance or opportunity for a little bit of snow or threat, depending on how you look at the snowfall forecast. But of course, I'll keep you posted each and every day. Sure hope you have a great night. Thanks for tuning in.